Hey everyone, today we have a build on this Orlando Hunter 132nd trophy truck. Honestly, a super hard build, and I skipped a couple things through this whole entire build, so don't kill me in the comments. It was fun, took me a long time. I bought the whole kit. I suggest buying the whole kit. Don't cheap out on anything. Using this tire glue, it worked just fine. This rad was the hardest thing to put inside that little frame, so I'm warning you beforehand, please don't throw it across the room like myself. I finally smartened up and used this electric screwdriver. It is the best purchase I've ever made for RC car building. This may be where I skipped a couple steps, a couple body panels. You can do it if you want. I think I was so fed up with it, I didn't. I think I lost all but 4 of these washers, so don't be mad at yourself if you lose any. When I saw old Kevy on YouTube order one of these, I had to do one myself. And finally it came in the mail, and you guys are just getting it the day after I received it. I also skipped through some suspension components because I thought it was just boring as hell. Please use Loctite, unlike me who had to learn the hard way on all the drive shaft components. Gluing these tires is terrible. It gets all over your fingers and you're scraping glue off your fingers for a while. Finally, if you did buy the kit, this is how all the wires go into the receiver here, just to help you guys out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.